How India's secret kamikaze drones could change the face of modern warfare explained. Experts believe low-cost drones and loitering munitions have emerged as critical force multipliers in modern conflicts, as has been seen in the Ukraine-Russia war referred to as loitering munitions. The kamikaze drones have taken modern warfare to another level. These advanced weapons combine the surveillance capabilities of an unmanned aerial vehicle UAV with the precision of a guided missile. These weapons do not simply follow a predetermined trajectory, they loiter, track and strike at the opportune time. Nan, a loitering munition, also known as a suicide drone, kamikaze drone, or exploding drone, is a kind of aerial weapon with a munition warhead, which can loiter, wait passively around the target area until a target is located. It then attacks the target by crashing into it. Loitering munitions enable faster reaction times against hidden targets that emerge for short periods without placing high-value platforms near the target area, and also allow more selective targeting. The earliest loitering munitions systems were used in the 1980s in suppression of enemy air defenses siege against fixed surface-to-air missile SAMS installations. With time, the role of these LMS grew for short-range 215 km, medium-range 1,550 km and long-range 50100 km for various mission operations like anti-personnel, anti-bunker, anti-armor, and the destruction of critical enemy assets like air bases, missile bases and other critical infrastructure. In 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, both Azerbaijan and Armenia used drones for reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and targeted strikes. The use of drones, including both UAVs and loitering munitions, played a significant role in the conflict by providing real-time situational awareness and the ability to conduct precision strikes on enemy positions. Azerbaijan, in particular, employed a variety of drones, including Israeli-made drones such as the Harop loitering munition, as well as Turkish-made drones like the Bayraktar TB2. 2022 Russia-Ukraine war. Despite their small size, loitering munitions have achieved big results in the Ukrainian large-scale war of attrition, an unnamed defense analyst said. Compared with the Russian army's use of loitering munitions, which mainly attack large targets, the Ukrainian army's loitering munitions are more likely to be used for hunting moving human targets on the front line. In the Middle East, Israel has relied on Harop loitering munitions, capable of carrying a 23 kg payload, to conduct precision strikes. Meanwhile, Iran's Shahid-136 drones, used extensively by Russia, have proven that cheap, mass-produced drones can overwhelm even sophisticated air defense systems. Nan experts believe low-cost drones and loitering munitions have emerged as critical force multipliers in modern conflicts, as has been seen in the Ukraine-Russia war. Russia's use of Iranian-made Shahid drones to target Ukraine's infrastructure and Ukraine's successful deployment of Turkish Bayraktar TB2 drones have demonstrated the effectiveness of these technologies, according to a report by the Economic Times. Experts pointed out that a single 500 loitering drone can destroy a 10 million tank. This reinforces the fact that there is an urgent need for robust counter-drone systems, including electronic warfare tools, kinetic interceptors, and directed energy weapons. Nan and the Indian Army recently received 480 loitering munitions made by a Nagpur-based defense manufacturing firm with over 75 indigenous content. Nagastra 1, the first indigenous loiter munition developed by Solar Industries in Nagpur, supplied the complete lot of 480 loitering munitions in December, defense officials said. The system is man-portable, and light, and is intended to be used for precision strike capabilities by the Army troops, officials said. The Sky Striker drone, already in service, has a range of 500 km and is designed for suppression of enemy air defenses siege. In March 2022, Z-Motion Autonomous Systems successfully tested 3 loitering munitions in Ladakh, demonstrating their effectiveness at 40 lower costs than imported alternatives. Tata Advanced Systems ALS-50, a vertical takeoff and landing VTOL drone that transitions to fixed-wing mode, has also completed successful trials at Pokhran. In 2021, India's army demonstrated its capability with a 75 drone swarm, executing coordinated attacks over a 50 km range, as per the Economic Times report. By 2023, Newspace Research Technologies delivered an even more advanced system, a swarm of 100 drones designed for battlefield deployment. More focus is being shown towards AI-driven drones capable of detecting enemy assets through acoustic sensors. The National Aerospace Laboratories is working on a stealthy, long-range loitering munition weighing 150 kg, designed to strike targets 900 km away with an endurance of 69 hours. Nan and the Ministry of Defence recently said 65 of India's defence equipment is now manufactured domestically, a significant shift from an earlier 70 import dependence. Defence production hit a record Rs 1.27 lakh crore in 202,324, marking a 174 increase from a decade ago. With defence exports also surging to Rs 21,083 crore, India aims to reach Rs 50,000 crore in exports by 2029. The government's focus is clear: indigenous development, private sector participation, and rapid technological advancement. The Cabinet Committee on Security recently approved the purchase of 307 advanced towed artillery gun systems ADAGs, developed by DRDO in collaboration with Bharat Forge and Tata Advanced Systems. These next-generation artillery systems, with a range of over 40 km and advanced automation, will significantly boost India's firepower. Nan